Example, IELTS test cue card. Describe a sportsperson you like or admire. You should say who this sportsperson is, what sports he or she plays, how successful he or she is, and explain why you like or admire this sportsperson so much. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish.
One sportsperson I really like and admire is Virat Kohli. He is a renowned cricketer from India and is widely regarded as one of the best batsmen in the world. Virat plays all formats of cricket, including Test matches, one-day internationals and 2020 cricket. In terms of his success, Virat Kohli has numerous records to his name. He has scored over 70 centuries in international cricket and has amassed more than 20,000 runs across all formats. He has been the captain of the Indian national team and led the team to many significant victories, including a historic Test series win in Australia. His consistent performance has earned him the ICC Cricketer of the Year award multiple times, highlighting his dominance in the sport. The reason I admire Virat Kohli so much is not just because of his remarkable achievements on the cricket field, but also because of his work ethic and passion for the game. His commitment to fitness and his disciplined lifestyle have set new standards for cricketers worldwide. Virat is known for his aggressive playing style and his ability to perform under pressure, making him an inspiration to many aspiring cricketers. Moreover, Virat Kohli is also involved in various charitable activities through his foundation, the Virat Kohli Foundation, which aims to support underprivileged children. He is also a vocal advocate for animal rights and has been associated with numerous campaigns to promote the welfare of animals. In summary, Virat Kohli is not only a phenomenal sportsperson due to his outstanding cricketing skills and numerous records, but also an admirable individual because of his dedication, leadership and charitable efforts. This combination of professional excellence and personal integrity is why I hold him in such high regard.